Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I made my Pinterest inspired wall decor. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this, then just keep watching. For this project, I used 4 wooden sign frames, 5 by 5 centimeters mirror tiles, and 20 by 20 centimeters square mirrors. All the items used in this project will be in the description box down below. So first I'm gonna remove these hooks using a screwdriver. I got the frames to make it from 1 to 10 store. They were going for $2 each. If you plan on hanging your mirror, I recommend plywood because it's lighter. And guys, you can just use one big plywood instead of these frames. Actually, they were meant for another project, but since I didn't have all the materials needed for that particular project, I decided to use them on this one. So after that, just line them up on the table as I'm doing. So the very first thing you want to do is to lay out your design, how you want your mirrors to be designed on the plywood. And I'll also add silver mirror tiles in between to just decorate and to measure to make sure that I have everything in the same distance. And hey, if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I have a new video. Okay, now that I have my mirrors laid out the way I wanted, I'm going to mark my frame where I'll cut to fit the amount of mirrors I want to use in this project. And now you can use a handsaw to cut your plywood to correct size. Okay guys, now line up your frames, and to hold them together on the back, I'm going to use a wood strip. If you have a long one from end to end, the better. And you will also need a drill and some screws. And now it is held together in the back, nice and steady. And here you will need to arrange your mirrors again before gluing them down. I then glued the mirrors to the wood using Polymax glue. This was really that easy and cost me $22 for the mirrors plus the cost of wooden frame. I had glue and screw already, so this project came in at under $30. And guys, after everything was glued down and exactly where I liked it, it was time to let them dry. And here is the finished product hung up on the wall. I'm in love with it, and the best part of this is that you can make the mirror any size you want, long or narrow, a smaller or a larger square, whatever you feel like doing. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.